Hey, it's Casino Mike. You see what's in back of me here? They're automated money-making machines. Now, the casinos, they have a lot of these. They aren't just table games, they aren't just slot machines. They're all kinds of games. But here's the thing. You can also have an automated money-making machine, one that makes extra money. What do you have to be able to make money without you being there? Know what I mean? There's nobody there. Nobody's popping out of the machine. People come up there and use it, but there's nobody back in the machine operating. It's a computer. It's a machine. So if you want an automated money-making machine, you've got to get one that's put together, or you put it together. And it's really not that difficult these days. It's making money online, and it creates an income, which means you don't have to go to a second or third job to make extra money. You can set it up so you can track it right at home. You can even scale it, make it better. So if you want something that's like an automated extra money machine, then you've got to look into something like that, because once you've got it built, just like these here, just like these machines in back of me, they just keep working. Do they break down or something? Maybe once in a great while, but they keep operating and money keeps coming in. Now, does that mean you're going to get rich overnight? No. You're going to make a decent amount of money. More than likely, it's going to be gradual until it really works for you. But you have to have one to make any extra money while you are doing something else, even sleeping. So to do that, you have to first of all have something that you can market, like services that you may have, using a skill of your own, or marketing a product, either digital or physical. It has to be something that someone will be really interested in. And hey, they want to find out about it. That's how you do it. You just get out there and talk about it. How would it be if you had one or two or three money-making machines, making extra money, raising your income? I know some people are, oh no, I don't want to raise my income because of my tax bracket, or because I get a fixed income, or because, I don't want to have to deal with too much work. It's not too much work. Once you know how to do this, then it runs by itself, and all you're doing is making changes every once in a while and keeping track of it. Could you do that? Could you create your own money making machine? If you really are interested in automated extra money, check out the link below. Go there and find out what exactly you can do. Up to you. If you're satisfied with where you are now, you don't really need it. If you think you're walking into something, hey, if If it's not going to make things better for you, then you don't need it, right? You won't know unless you take a look at it. Up to you. This is Casino Mike. I dare you to create an automated extra money machine.